Guys, we're gonna do some black pepper steak bites in the Ninja Foodi Grill coming up.
This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, guys, so what are we doing here today? I have some awesome little Wagyu beef chunks, and got them from Snake River Farm, so I'll put a link down below to their website so you can check it out. Not affiliate, that's just where I got them. Anyway, decided to marinate them and make like my play on the Jack Link's little steak bites that you can get that are like jerky, but they're a little bit more tender than the jerky. All right, so I've marinated them overnight in some of this black pepper sauce. You see that, guys? There'll be a link down below for this. This is your all-purpose marinade right there. It's so good. Tons of black pepper in it, very, very flavorful. All right, let it marinate overnight, and then we're gonna get it on the dehydrated racks. And again, I'll try to find a link for the dehydrating racks, and I'll put them down below. I know it's been tough to find on Amazon. I'll see if I can get a link for Ninja Kitchen on there. All right, so that's it, guys. This isn't very a real complicated kind of cook. It's gonna take a lot of time because dehydrating, we're gonna go about 4 hours, maybe 5, depending on how tender they are by the time we're done. Like, again, I am not trying to go straight jerkified. I want like tender steak pieces that we could, pack up and take on a hike, right? Okay, so that's it, guys. Come on over to the Ninja Foodi Grill Station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Let's get started. All right, guys, we're over here on the Ninja Foodi Grill Station. We are gonna turn this bad boy on, hit dehydrate. 150 degrees works for me. I think it's defaulted at 6 hours, yep. We are going to check it before. I'm looking around 4 hours or so, because again, I don't want this straight jerky, but I want it, that it will be able to, be stored for a while like jerky. All right, so this has got started. Let's open this up. There's no warm up with the dehydrating, so we're just gonna put this in there. Wish there was more to it, but this is as exciting as it gets. All right, we'll see you. We'll check on it in a couple hours. All right, guys, we're 4 hours in. This is about where I want them to be. These are like steak bite from Jack Link's. They're fully done. All right, let me get these out of here. I'll take a thumbnail picture, then we'll talk about it. All right, guys, we're done. It took 4 hours. All right, so Charlie's out there. He wants some of his steak bites. I wanted these still kind of tender, still done, still be able to pull apart, completely done. I didn't want full-on jerky. If you want full-on jerky out of these things, go the 5-6 hours, but for me, the 4 hours was perfect. Just to recap, got these little awesome steak bites, right? Put them in a Ziploc baggie, little gallon baggie. Put some of this black pepper sauce, which again, the link's gonna be down below. Make sure you get you some, and let it sit overnight. Okay, the longer you let it sit, the more marinade flavor gets in there. So that's it, and then we put it on the dehydrating rack. Like, again, I'll try to find the link for you guys somewhere for the dehydrating rack, and then just put it in the original Ninja Foodi Grill. Again, if you have the new XL, I don't believe there's a dehydrating rack for that just yet. You can use the air fryer basket if you need to do the dehydrating in there. It doesn't have to be a rack like this. It's just, helpful. So that's it. This is a pretty simple one. This isn't a very long video. I mean, it took, 4 hours to do, overnight, 24 hours to let this marinate, but for the most part, it's a quick, easy video, okay? You're just setting it in there, set it and forget it. 4 hours later, you got some awesome little jerky bites here, little steak bites. I'm telling you, so good. And if you have the opportunity to get some of these Wagyu steak bits or bites or whatever from Snake River Farms, I would take that opportunity and do it. All right, guys, as always, if you see anything in our videos that you want, the cutting boards, the knives, the Foodi Grill, all that stuff, links are down below. You don't pay anything extra, but it helps out the channel. If you want to become a show producer, this link right here takes you over to Patreon. Become a member of CJ's Crew for Real and get your name on the end scroll of these videos. If you made it this far, thank you so much. Hit that thumbs up, share this, make sure you're subscribed, all that good stuff that you're supposed to do on a YouTube video. Comment down below. That's it. We'll see you next week. Thank you for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.